Probably the argument that is used the most as proof of a Jewish origin of Igbo people is the fact that they circumcise their males. Unfortunately, what they forgot to mention is that the fact that circumcision on the 8th day is not universal in Igbo land. There are places like Afikpo where it could be done as late as the teenage years, but when it was done in Igbo land, the delay was typically 1 to 8 days after birth. The delay of both the circumcision and naming of the child in Igbo culture was done mainly because of the high infant mortality rate in the days before colonialism. And that practice was shared amongst many African groups. There is no covenant whatsoever mentioned when the rite is done, and the foreskin is not even preserved, as it is often in the Jewish rite. Furthermore, the burial of the umbilical cord, the ili alo, actually has far more significance than circumcision, and actually does represent a covenant between the child and Allah, the earth deity, as well as the ancestors. Furthermore, they also intentionally leave out that both male and female circumcision was a part of the traditional society until recently, which is certainly not a part of the Levitical code. Unfortunately, female circumcision is one aspect of the tradition that's still being practiced to this day, with figures estimating that nearly half of women reportedly still undergoing it. Female genital cutting in southern urban, peri-urban Nigeria. Last but not least, the two methods of circumcision are extremely different, especially since in the Orthodox Jewish circumcision tradition, the mohel, the Jewish priest doing the circumcision rite performed that is known as the metzes of bepe, or oral suction, where he takes a mouthful of wine and then his mouth around the base of the boy's penis and uses suction to clean the wound. This ritual is not done anywhere in Igbo land. A rabbi explained this practice in this video. All right, so I'll leave that there to say that the Igbos are not into that.